cold. We just finished at the gym, but it is freezing cold where we are. We're in Bourne, Texas right now. And yesterday was like beautiful, sunny, warm. And today it's like, I think it's in the negatives at some point.
It's right around 0 degrees right now. So there is actually an ice warning where we are, which is kind of funny. I don't know. Ooh. In my mind, I thought Texas was like warm and always like not this cold, but
it's cold.
It's cold, cold.
So it's gonna be a cozy van day and chore day. We've got laundry to do, which we really haven't done like a full laundry in like a month. It's been a while, so we'll probably take up most of the machines at the laundry mat.
Yeah, we've got a bunch of laundry to do. We have a couple chores to run, and yeah, maybe do some stuff here in the van, and we're gonna bring you guys along with us, so get ready. Here we go. I don't know.
Clearly no drawers got closed.
I put everything away and I didn't close any of the drawers, I guess, so here go the drawers.
There they go.
I have my ways. So, spoiler, we actually spent last night in the Walmart parking lot here, so we're very familiar with how to get from Walmart to Planet Fitness.
It's a solid 2 minutes.
Yeah, not even. Kind of cheesy. If it doesn't fit exactly how we want it, it's coming right back in the store. Alright, well, we just got back from Walmart, so it's time to make some lunch or breakfast, whatever we're gonna call it. It's like 1 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock by now. So I'm also gonna make more coffee.
Clearly we're parked on a slant.
For breakfast, we're gonna have some eggs, avocado, green peppers, and onions on a piece of bread. Maybe on a piece of bread, I don't know. With bread. So as soon as we're done breakfast, we're gonna go do some laundry, because we haven't done that in way too long. Wow, this is what the kitchen now looks like in order to make breakfast, but
it looks delicious. Don't look at the Nutella. It's a bad habit. But we got some fresh sourdough from the Austin Farmers Market that we went to, avocado, eggs with peppers and onions, and coffee. So let's eat.
I've been fasting for hours.
Good job. It's delicious. I kind of like the lime. The more limey avocado.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It was good though.
You're a messy cook. I'm on dish duty. So let's start cleaning. I really don't mind doing the dishes in a small sink with cold water, sometimes hot water if we boil it. But the one thing that like gets me is drying them. You have to wash them and then dry them and put them away, whereas at home you could just put them in a drying rack and leave them. And I feel like, at least how I did it, was I would wash it at home and then leave it in the drying rack and it would actually never go back in the drawer. I would just take it from the drying rack. So a small little van life thing that you kind of have to get used to.
They drive fast here. 75 miles an hour. That's fast, and that's like the minimum.
Where's the GPS?
Wow, we made it to the dump station, which is also where we're gonna fill with water. There's no water at the tap. Here, I'll show you.
Maybe they have to turn it off, like, if it's too cold?
I don't know. That's definitely our sign. I don't think this is a working station. It's pretty full.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
All right. Ooh, that smells pretty right, doesn't it? I think we're just probably going to go to another one because this one's no good. No good at all. All right, back in the van. So we found the spot on Overlander. We're kind of hoping that it was gonna turn in.
I can't do this now.
We were kind of hoping that this would be a spot we could dump our tanks and fill up our freshwater tank. However, you just saw this one is turned off or frozen. I'm not sure. It is actually -1. Obviously, we're Canadians, so -1 Celsius, which I don't know. I guess that would be like 30 degrees Fahrenheit, something like that.
So we will find somewhere else.
Yeah. All right. To somewhere else.
We just made it to the laundromat, and I think we kind of just have to get organized first. Separate everything, strip the bed, all the fun stuff.
Then we got to get some cash. So we've got a credit card and a $50 bill. I have a strange feeling that the $50 bill is going to come back with $50 in quarters.
That's poor planning on our part. Okay, let's see how it goes. I'm gonna start sorting out all of our laundry because currently it's just in one big bag and I don't think it all goes in the same thing. Washing machine? It's been a long day. Ignore the onion on the bed. We don't have a fruit basket or veggie basket yet, so when we drive, all of our veggies go on the bed. It's a work in progress.
Quite possibly the most quarters I've ever gotten. So we kind of got stuck in the laundromat when we were there trying to do laundry. There was a fella there that just wanted to talk, and that's all he wanted to do. So we kind of got stuck. I don't know.
We seriously couldn't get out of the conversation. It kept going. We started folding our laundry. He kept talking.
He just
we
kept
started
going.
switching stuff over, and he was just a older fellow. Anyway.
He just wanted to talk. It got to the point where I stopped making eye contact so that we would try to end the conversation, and it just kept going. Anyway, as you can see, we got some laundry hanging behind us here. Some stuff that just didn't end up getting dried. I think the van is a classic representation of what van life really is. There's stuff everywhere. Not everything's put away, and that's a reality. So I think we're probably just gonna head to bed. We're parked at a Walmart, and yeah. That's gonna end today's video. It's kind of funny. We started at a Walmart, we ended at a Walmart. So, catch you guys next time. See you then.